Did you know that eating the right fruits can boost your weight loss journey and keep you in a calorie deficit without feeling deprived? Studies show that specific fruits not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also support fat loss. Let's explore these weight loss superstars. Welcome to Healthy Bites, where we bring you practical tips for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're talking about calorie deficit-friendly fruits nutritional powerhouses that are low in calories but packed with benefits. If you want to lose weight without giving up flavor, stick around. These fruits could be your secret weapon. When it comes to weight loss, fruit often gets a bad rap. Some people believe all fruits are high in sugar and calories, making them off limits for a calorie deficit. But that's far from the truth. While it's true that fruits contain natural sugars, many are low in calories and full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The real challenge is knowing which fruits to prioritize and how to incorporate them into your meals effectively. So let's bust the myths and uncover the fruits that will help you stay on track. Let's dive into the best fruits for maintaining a calorie deficit. Berries. Why they work. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are low in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you full longer. For instance, 1 cup of strawberries has only 50 calories but provides 3 grams of fiber. How to use them? Add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or simply snack on them raw for a sweet, satisfying treat. Citrus fruits. Why they work. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are low-calorie and hydrating. Grapefruits, in particular, are known to aid weight loss due to their ability to control appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels. How to use them? Eat them fresh, make a refreshing juice, or add lemon slices to your water. Apples. Why they work. With only about 95 calories per medium apple, they're rich in fiber and water content, making them incredibly filling. How to use them? Slice up for a quick snack or pair with a spoonful of almond butter for a balanced treat. Watermelon. Why they work. With over 90% water content, watermelon is ultra hydrating and keeps you feeling full with very few calories, just 30 per 100 grams. How to use them? Enjoy it as is or blend it into a smoothie. Kiwi. Why they work. Kiwis are nutrient-dense and low in calories, with plenty of vitamin C and fiber. They're great for digestion too. How to use them? Slice into a fruit salad or enjoy it whole with the skin for an extra fiber boost. Now, let's spotlight the top 3 weight loss champions. Grapefruit. Its unique compounds have been shown to support fat loss and improve metabolism. Berries. Their versatility and low-calorie content make them a must-have in any weight loss diet. Watermelon. It's the ultimate guilt-free snack that keeps you hydrated and satisfied. These fruits aren't just delicious, they can change the way you approach weight loss. Imagine snacking on something sweet that actually helps you shed pounds. So there you have it, calorie deficit-friendly fruits that are tasty, satisfying, and perfect for weight loss. Berries, citrus fruits, apples, watermelon, and kiwi are just the start of your journey toward healthy eating. Incorporate them into your snacks and meals to enjoy weight loss without feeling restricted. What's your favorite fruit for staying healthy and fit? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Bites for more tips on eating smart and living well. Check out our next video on meal prepping for weight loss to level up your journey.